Yes, very good afternoon. Am I audible to you all? Just please write yes on a chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks, Shivam. Uh, okay, today we will do a first experiment of your lab, digital image processing. And in a previous lecture, I have already told you to install uh, or just register this MATLAB. And if you have, please let me know how many of you have registered for this MATLAB online. If you have registered, please yes on a chat box. Okay, those who have registered for the MATLAB online, please write yes on a chat box so that I can confirm how many students have registered in this platform so that we can proceed for this first experiment of digital image processing. Yes, please. If you have not installed, then you have to please write it no on a chat box. If you have installed, then write it yes on a chat box. Please do it fast so that we can proceed further. Okay, Saksham, no, Pratham, no, Himansh, no, Chitish, no. Okay, why you have not uh, registered for it? And Dhananjay, I have it installed in my PC. Okay, you have installed. Okay, Dhananjay, please let me know. Are you using online version or a offline version? Please, Dhananjay,
Sir, it's
are you
offline
using
version.
online version or a offline version?
O- Offline, sir. Offline.
Okay, Dhananjay, your voice is not audible to me. Can you write it? There may be some problem. Yes, please. It is better to write on a chat box. There is some problem in my speakers. Uh, okay, offline, Dhananjay, fine. Okay, and what about Aarti, Akash, uh, and the rest of the students? Please confirm me. Yes, and what about Rishabh? Uh, okay, please do the first step. Rishabh, you also have, but offline. Yes, it's fine if you have already available to you. Then it is very good. If you don't have, then you can use it online version, and you will get the 1 month trial. And to do that, you just have to write it down. MATLAB uh, online. Okay, rest of the students who have not yet registered, uh, they can just directly go through the Google and hopefully you all are using the laptop. Okay, please let me know if someone is not using laptop or attending meeting via cell phone. Uh, okay, please, Kshitij, Pratham, Saksham, Himansh, and Akash, are you using laptop or a cell phone? Please confirm me. Uh, okay, laptop, fine, Saksham, and rest of the students, are you using cell phone or a laptop? Okay, Kshitij on a phone, and you may not have using phone, sir. Okay, if you are using phone, okay, Ashita, you can switch. Okay, you can use the phone, but make sure that you must have a laptop so that you can run the program. And if you are using cell phone, then it is not possible to use the MATLAB online on a cell phone. So those who can switch to the laptop, it is better. But you must continue on a Google Classroom, and you can do this kind of a task on a laptop. First, you have to search MATLAB online on a Google. Then click on a first site. There is a MATLAB online, and next you have to, because I am already registered, so it may, I have already logged in into this account. So whenever you will just come to this site, you just click on a start using MATLAB online, and there may be possibility of there is a screen will appear to you, and which will show the different countries, and you have to select the India MATLAB. There is India MATLAB, and once you have selected the India MATLAB, then you have to complete the registration process. And once you have registered all the tasks, then okay, it is better to use the official email ID first of all. And if you have once you have registered, then uh, uh, you will get this kind of a window, and your name will reflect over there. And this is a very simple process to use the MATLAB online. And if you will get this point, then I can proceed further. I can just give you the one simple example so that you can understand how we can do the experiments in a MATLAB online, and how we can get the programming part. Okay, first you have to just go through my this step-by-step process. And okay, uh, okay, there is a one more thing. I have uploaded all the experiments in a GitHub. You can directly remember this path. There is a path is that I will share with you. Okay, that is already into your chat box. There is a github.com slash that is my name, Tajveer slash digital hyphen image hyphen processing. You just click it on this link, and you will get this type of window. If it will ask you for the registration, then do the registration, and download all the codes into a single zip file. And if you want to use the one programming, then for example, you can click it on this experiment. Okay, in a first we will do the reading and writing of the images, and this is a programming part. Here you can see that. Okay, once you will get this window, there is a program is there. You just have to copy this program, and there is that one is written basically in a MATLAB, and you have to copy all these comments, and you can just paste over there. So now we will do step-by-step process. We will understand what is this program and how we can understand this program. Okay, let's start with the step-by-step process in our first experiment. So the first experiment is to study the fundamentals of the image processing, and write program to read and display the different types of the digital images. And here, different types of means different formats. Basically, you have to just uh, go through the what are the various different types of the digital images, and definitely it is like that. .png is there, dot .jp is there, dot .tif is there, dot .bmp is there, and there are many more. So this is a when you will put the this percentage sign, and this will and after whatever you will write after this percentage sign, then it will the MATLAB will take it as a comment. So this the first three lines are just a comment, and you can just write one other line. Okay, one second. Okay, basically there is a I have clicked on a run, so that's why it will directly show me the output. Okay, however, we will do in a step-by-step process. Okay, here you can just see that there is the first three lines of the experiment, and your program will start from here. You can use CLC, that is this CLC used for the clear the screen. If there is any previous output is there, then it will clear uh, all the values, and this you can also use clear all, and this one is optional, but it is better to use these two commands so that the all the existing memory will washed out, and your new program will be loaded into that particular memory. And now the next part is this command, and in order to read the image, you just have to use the command. This one is a command imread. imread to read the program, and you have to write it the name of the image in between the round brackets. And here you can use the this semicolon or not. That is depend up to you. You want to run the program line by line or entire program once. So here you can see that this we will read this image. With the help of imread command and store into the a variable. So first we will load the image with the help of imread command and save into the variable a. Now the next part is a subplot. There is a where you have to basically plot into the figure, and I just have to show you. Just wait for a second. So I will just directly run this program. Okay, I have run this program, and here you can see that there are four figures are there, and which is representing the output of this particular program. And here you can see that I have to plot this figure, and where I can plot, there are first I have made there is 2 by 2, there is two rows and two columns. Here you can see that there is two rows are there and two columns are there. There is two, it's representing the rows, and two is representing the columns. And this is a location of the figure where where you are going to put that particular figure. And here I want to, there is 2 by 2, which is equal to the 4. There are four figure you can plot, and at a first position you want to plot some figure. And what figure? You have to use this command, that is imshow. Imshow is basically used to display a particular image, and that is a variable, and in this variable we have stored this particular image, and the image is a gateway of, that is gateway of India. And the next is you can put the title on it, and here you can see that there is a portable network graphic PNG format, and that is optional. And if you want to put the name, then you can put it over there, or you can just change. And make sure that you are writing the name in between the round brackets. And next, if you want to store another image or read the another image, you can use again imread command and put the name of the figure with that is a format of the file, and store into the another variable, and the another variable is a b. And now the next is a subplot 2 by 2. Definitely you are using 2 by 2, and you want to display on a 2. So this one is a 1, and this one is a 2, this one is a 3, and this one is a 4. So there are 2 by 2 is there, 2 rows and 2 columns, and you want to display it on a 2. So this one is a 2. And that is I am sure. Then you have to use the command I am sure, and the variable is a b, and in a b we have saved this Hawa Mahal. So the picture is showing to you at a position 2 in 2 by 2 matrix, and you can just write it the name like JPEG on this figure, and you can also change it. And in the variable C, you have saved TIFF format file, that is a Qutub Minar, and you have made a subplot and you want to display it on a 3. So that is a third position. There is a third position is there, and you want to use third position of 2 by 2 matrix, and 2 by 2 means row and column, and I am sure to display that particular image, and this is the title of the image. And then there is a another figure is there, and you want to store it on a D variable, and you want to display this D variable on a subplot on a fourth position of a 2 by 2 matrix, and that is a command for the D. And there is a title is there, and you can put it title over there, and the last point is that is the end of the program. And again, this is a comment, whatever the comments are there, that is represented by the GUI, and this is your actual path. Okay, now there is a one okay, please, if you have any question, then you can write it on a chat box. I will solve each and every one query one by one. And now in a the all the figures whichever you are using, that you have to put it over there. For example, here you can see that first I have to use the gateway.png. So make sure that there is a one file must be there that whose name is gateway.png. And there is a next one is a hawamahal.jpg, and hawamahal.jpg is existing over there. And the third one is a Qutub Minar. Yes, we are using the Qutub Minar. And for example, if I have to change, I have put some figures, and how you can get these figures. And in a GitHub, I have already put some figures or pictures whichever used in all these programs. I have put all the figures into the pictures.rar. You have to download the this. You can't view this all the images. You have to download on your onto your computer. Then you have to drag it on this particular folder. You can drag all the pictures at once in this particular folder, and there is a folder which you can use. And if you are using some specific path onto your local hard drive, then you have to write it the full path over there. So that is optional to you, and it is a better way. Once if you want to use some kind of a figures, you have to put it into this temporary folder. And and hopefully here you can just, okay, I will just give you the one example. For example, I have to use this birds figure, and here I'm using the BMP. I can also write it as a BIRDS bird dot BMP, and I have to run again this program, and here you can see that now I have got this birds figure because here I am building this birds.pmp, and here you can just, this one is your current folder wherever you are working, and this is okay. If you are directly copying this, for example, if you are copying this program and you have to save it, and save it, you can save it on your hard drive, or you can just save it on this temporary account, and all the files will saved with the extension of .m. And once you have done with this, then you can just put all the pictures over there, and then you can this click it on run under the data tab, and click it on the run, and here you will see the output figure. So this area is for the output figure, and this area for the current folder, and this one is a workspace which is representing the technical specifications of the figures whatever we are using. And here you can see that uh, there is a figure A here that is representing in this, that is figure A, figure B, figure C, and here you can see that in a figure D, and the resolution of figure D is 183 rows and 275 columns, and which is multiplied by 3, and 3 is actually representing the RGB. So that is a red, green, and blue. So that's what it look like colored image, and the resolution of the figure C is higher as compared to the other three, and these are some technical specifications. And here, that is the most important part. That is a command window. So this one is a command window where you will check the various errors which will display during the run of the program. And for example, I am using different. I have written over there this command mistakenly, and when I will run this command, then there may be a possibility it will show. Yes, here you can see that there is an unrecognized function or variable, this imred sad I have written over there, and there is a line number 19. So in a line number 19 there is an error. So you have to just check it out and remove this error, and then okay, okay. Once you have correct this error, then you have to save this program and you have to run. So at the output, you have seen that there is no fourth figure is there, but once I have corrected, you will get fourth figure over there. So hopefully you will get my point, and this experiment is very clear to you all. And if there is any query in this program, then you can ask me directly, and please let me know if there is any question first. And if there is question, then we can solve this, solve your query, and then proceed. Okay, Aarti, fine. It's clear to you. Yes, if there is any question, then you can ask me. If there is any problem in a first program, then definitely there is a lot of problems in the rest of the programs. Uh, so if it is clear to you, then now it's a time you have enough time to do the experiments. Now, what is a task? Uh, first, okay, you can first you can mark your attendance. That is, all links are open to you, and then now what you have to do, you have to just open your laptop or computer and just make the registration in a MATLAB. That is in India MATLAB, and you can just search it out, MATLAB online. Then click it on the first link, and then you have to register on it and start using the MATLAB online. Once you have registered, you will get this kind of a window, and after that, you can write this program as it is, or I have already shared a link with you in a chat box. You can just click it on, then you will get the this kind of a web page, and there are a lot of programs that I have already uploaded on our GitHub. You can just click it on this, and then you can copy this program and you can paste it over there. You can paste it over there, and then you can okay, you can do one thing more. There is a one more picture folder is there. You can download all this picture folder also, and drag the sum of the figures into under this current folder, and then you can edit this program according to your requirement. So there is your practice session will start after 5 minutes. You can do the practice, and my second okay. Now there may be a question. how we can one second. Okay, there may be a question how we can how you can submit the this uh, uh, this practical file for the digital image processing. Okay, please note that in this case you have to submit the um, uh, online soft copy via online platform, and uh, you can made a file that I will share to you with you all. What you have to do, you have to write the experiment. You have to write your name here. You can write your name here in a second. In another line, you can write it your ID, or you can simply write it your ID as whatever. There is a one, two, whatever your ID is. You can write your ID here, and then you have to take the screenshot of this programming part and just paste it in your there is a Word file, and you also have to paste all these figures. Uh, there is all four figures, and so that I can recognize that you have to write it this program name. First, you have to write the name of the aim, and second, you can write it the programming part, and this one is your program, and you have to write it a short, brief paragraph on how this what are the important commands which is available in this. And the important commands are there. There is a CLC is there, then the IM read is there, IM show is there, and subplot is there. So there are three to four important commands are there. You have to write it all these four commands in a brief paragraph, and then you have to paste the outputs. So after that, your first experiment will be completed. So this is a task that you have to perform, and now you have you can first mark your attendance, and once you have marked your attendance, please confirm me. And after that, you have to do this experiment. If there is any problem while implementing uh, this experiment, you can ask me, or you can, uh, if you are not uh, on a laptop, then you can ask me on tomorrow. But definitely you have to perform all the experiments with this MATLAB online, and your evaluation will be conducted online, and I will perform some experiments via this platform, and it will be your final evaluation will be conducted by the first week of November. So make sure that you all have to go through all these programs, and okay, okay, fine, Aarti, those were marked. Okay, thanks for confirmation. And uh, okay, rest of the students can please register for the online MATLAB, and or you can also use a MATLAB offline. There is no any big difference. What you have to do when you will open this offline, if you are using offline MATLAB, and you will get this kind of a window, and you have to you have to click it on. Uh, okay, there is no. Okay, you can just there is a open command is there. When you will see it on a in a offline mode, and you have to upload all the programs. Not upload, you have to open all the programs if you want. Then you can just click this M file, and you will get all the program in this window, and you can edit, and you can do the changes in that particular program, and do the experiments. Yes, if there is any query, then you can ask. Otherwise, we can end this session, and you can do the practice, and and it is better if you will do the practice in next 15 to 30 minutes. And if there is query, then I will solve your problem by today. Okay. Uh, Please, you can do the practice. I'm there. I'm available till 3:30, and you can ask me in this. Uh, you can write it on a chat box. Okay, thanks. You can